Chase him away.
Hi, T-Bird.
Is Mr. Minky eating your egg? Huh? Did you have enough?
Oh! Bite the hand that feeds you.
Because the cat's here. She wants me to get rid of the cat. Go on, get up.
Make her.
Here. Get some. Here. Eat. Eat. I'm going to leave the table. I'm going to get my plate and you go ahead and eat.
There you go. A little protective of the eggs this morning, T-Bird.
Here, I made you a couple pieces of bacon. I didn't think you wanted an egg, so...
And there's the beautiful
guess what? It's noon time.
Puff the kitty. No eggs for you, Minker. What happens at noon?
I'm going to go get Sydney.
Oh.
Sierra's daughter. Laura's daughter.
Yeah, Sydney's my daughter, totally.
Wow. Minker. Look at this, Mark. They're having a Mexican standoff.
Look at that.
No, you can't have my tea, Minker.
You got shit. Yeah, I don't think Minker's wild the bird.
No, Minker's too sweet.
I did it.
It's okay, T-Bird. It's okay, T-Bird. I know. You had plenty.
Puff says, what about me?
I'm recording all of this. Here's Sierra, Mark's daughter.
Hey.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm gonna get her on me.
Where are you going, T-Bird?
Come here. Up.
I'm going to give her regular food. She can go in here and wash her beak. I got to get her some water, too. Puff, you need to come up here. Come here, Puff. Here, Puff.
She's full. She's not talking yet. She just had a big breakfast.
You get a lot of miles out of that egg, maybe.
Really?
I don't know whether Puff will actually eat it or not. She's such a frou eater. I think she's eating some of it.
Here she is. And the little Puff. Beautiful rag doll. She's having some eggs this morning. Psst, psst. Hey, Puff. You like that, Puff? Alrighty.
We need to let T-Bird start eating more meals with us.
Exactly. Video of the morning.
Because she loves that. As long as she doesn't attack me, she came over to get me.
She's being sweet now.
Yeah, to everybody but me. You're filming it right in the sun. It's
I know.
overexposed.
I didn't have a choice, Mark.
Come around here.
All right. Well, I'll just